ever built a pitch deck, you know the pain of market sizing. It's the multi-billion-dollar question that often gets a flimsy answer that feels more like an art project than a science experiment. Investors demand rigor. When a savvy investor asks, so how did you get this number, a single fragile point estimate quickly falls apart. MarketSizing.AI automates this mess. We take weeks of pure guesswork and squeeze it into minutes of rigorous data-backed analysis. You get in Step 1, upload and extract. Just upload your slide deck or provide a URL. The AI reads the material, extracting all relevant market sizing and go-to-market metrics. The system immediately generates a preliminary report structure using synthetic placeholder data. This runs initial simulations so you can see your projected TAM, SAM, and SOM values using the synthetic data. Step 2, research and quantify. Let's replace these placeholder numbers with actual researched defensible data. In order to do this, click Conduct Research. The AI returns real quantified ranges for every metric, like the number of bootstrap startups or subscription revenue per user, backed by full citations and research reports. Step 3, simulate and project. The final report runs thousands of Monte Carlo simulations. You deliver a defensible range, which includes a pessimistic and an optimistic value, including the most likely scenario. Stop presenting one fragile number that took weeks to generate. Start building the trust that investors want that gets the deals done.